Hi guys, salam Jumaat. Get ready with me to work, but I'm not going to cerita anything. As you can see, I look tired. I am tired. I am tired, but it's okay sebab life goes on and we have to go through today. And it's already Friday. It's cuti. You guys are going to cuti lah. I am going to work. I am still going to work. But I cannot complain sebab rezeki. So hari ni aku nak bersiap dengan Haus Cosmetics sebab dia dah lah satu set lengkap. And also I receive a makeup bag. And aku boleh bawa ke mana-mana. And aku boleh bersiap terus. Maksudnya I don't have to pick and choose produk apa. Sebab dia dah lengkap. Ada cleanser, ada moisturizer, ada sunscreen, ada blush stick. And also ada compact baby cushion. Senang tu aku bergerak mana-mana weh. I'm going to skip the cleanser part sebab aku dah cuci muka tadi. But it's basically like this. It sticks. So kau macam just macam tu. Cuci-cuci, settle. To skip to moisturizer, sunscreen, and then kita boleh start to makeup. So, where is the moisturizer? Moisturizer. Macam ni. So, aku pakai macam ni je. Ni. Macam ni. And then, we are going to move to sunscreen. Sunscreen dia aku suka sangat sebab ada bau oren. Dah lah dia warna oren. But it's nothing lah kan. And also, aku dah lama tau cari sunscreen yang stick. So that I don't have to bring the liquid one. Lepas tu macam a bit everywhere. So, kalau dia stick, senang weh. Macam ni je. Basically, you have your moisturizer. You have your sunscreen. And then, aku dah boleh start to makeup. Okay, this is... Allah, anjing ni pun dia nak makeup juga. Sabar anjing, sabar. Biar aku habis dulu. Ni aku nak bercakap macam mana pun cakap lah kau. Okay, so yang ini aku akan tunjukkan korang. I'm not going to say it's full coverage. But you guys can see the coverage later. Tengok Lepas tu, is the sponge. See? Love. We love. Untuk hari-hari yang indah macam ni, hari-hari yang biasa macam ni, I'm not going to do heavy makeup lah. For what? No, for what? Kadang-kadang kau kena chill je weh. Kalau kerja kau memerlukan kau untuk look like fresh, macam model punya makeup, I won't judge lah kan. Tapi untuk seseorang yang sangat macam aku ni, I honestly just have to look alive. I'm not going to put like 100% effort to makeup. But I'm grateful for this type of product. Senang. Aku sebenarnya boleh bersiap dalam kereta. Senang untuk kau bersiap. Sudah. Cukup. Sibuk. Kenapa dia macam kena marah? I don't have the heart to marah you lah. But sabarlah, tunggulah aku habis record video ni. Dan you tu. Tak apalah guys, korang anggap je lah itu kawan aku. Kawan aku tu. As for blusher, ni blusher dia. Okay. Satu peach of mine, satu lagi pinky promise. But for today, I think I'm going to use peach of mine sebab warna dia soft-soft macam tu. Hari tu kan aku pernah pakai blusher. Tak sama. Like blonde ni sikit, betul blonde ni banyak. Tapi tak apalah weh, suka hati lah kan. So, it's not like anyone can say anything about it, right? Can they? Can they say anything about my blusher? No, they cannot. I mean, they can. But do I give a hoot about it? No. I don't care if people want to say anything about my makeup. Sebab no, asalkan aku tak kacau makeup kau, tak apa. Dia macam soft girl look gitu. Tapi disebabkan aku tak soft, so dia tak nampak macam soft girl look sangat. But you guys will get what I mean kan? Okay, lepas tu, senang kan? Like everything is in here. And then I'm going to pakai lipstick sikit lah. This is my lip essence. And then aku pakai lah. I'm basically done. Very simple, very fast for me to make up with Haus Cosmetics punya set. Dengan makeup bag dia juga. Dan warna purple. Again, purple. Anyway, itu je. I hope you guys have a blessed Friday. I am going to make another video dekat office nanti. So you guys stay tuned. And bye!